Hi, Chant. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Welcome to more Margecraft. Let me give you the tour since I last saw you. I think. This is Roger. This was forcibly given to me against my will. You remember the Phoenix that I said I was gonna tame one day at Phoenix Lake? Yippee! Yes, someone else tamed him. Anyways, he was given to me. I put armor on him. He's a fucker. Roger's an asshole. Yeah, I'm looking at you, you bird bitch. Roger's a dickhead, and I just want you to know that. The second I take the lead off of him, he flies away. He's a dick. So we got Roger. I'm in creative mode right now. I don't need to be, I guess. Let me do that. I did that for the cool picture. I think we should have pudding. Okay. This is the top of the farm. This is what the inside of the bedroom looks like now. These big iron windows. I've got all these paintings. I got this little cicada jar. Isn't that nice? All right, down here, we got 3 dogs. This is Binky. This is Stinky. And this is Dinky. And then, there he is. There's the man of the hour. Little Harvey. My little hamster. My little hamster. I love him with all my heart. He's a fucking menace. He likes to jump in the saw blades. And we love that. We love that, folks, don't we? We love that. I gotta clean up my inventory a little bit. Right before this stream started, I got crimson planks. And I got them because someone just fucking built a nether portal out in the middle of nowhere. And by in the middle of nowhere, I mean between people's houses. And if you do that without putting down 4 coal blocks, the nether spreads and infects shit. And no one will fess up to it. No one will be like, yeah, that was me. I didn't know it would do that. My bad. Everyone's going, no, I didn't build a nether portal. Oh, gee, boys, I don't even know what the nether is. Oh, jeez. Come the fuck on. But, anyways, if it infects trees, you get crimson planks. So, I think we're going to build the barn. Until we can figure out how to get red wood. Well, you know, what does actual redwood from the redwood trees look like? Oh, God, that's pretty nice, though. Gosh and gee willikers, that is pretty nice, though. I'm going to do the crimson wood, though. Until we can figure out how to get red logs, you know, like I've got these trees up here. With yellow and cyan, and no one knows how to harvest these. No one knows how to get this yet. It's a mystery of modern science. So we can work on the barn today, but also I figured out 2 mods that I want to like hone in on and start working on. One is the furniture mod. And then the other is called Spectrum, and it's a magic mod where you do color stuff and you paint. I think that's pretty fun. So, you know, we got a lot of options. We got options. Of what to do today, and we're gonna do it too. And we're gonna do it to him too. Do the kids still say gonna do it to him? Do they still go, damn, Daniel? Was that a different guy? For the longest time, I was under the impression that Damn Daniel was the same as the had to do it to him guy. I don't think that's true. Jesus Christ, this is the loudest music ever. Oh, turns out you can just turn that down. Well, don't I feel dumb? Lucas and I were literally bitching about how loud the jukeboxes are, and turns out you could just turn them down the whole time. Well, don't I feel stupid? And don't I feel dumb? Anyways, you really have not missed much. We've got a bunch of new people on the server. And so I've mostly been spending my time not on stream, which was yesterday. When I was playing, it was mostly just helping them. You know, got a couple things, but you really did not miss anything crazy. So, how are you, chat? How's everyone doing? Two weeks till Christmas, chat room. What are you getting me? Good, I slept a lot today. Watched all of Jujutsu Kaisen in JJKO. What's JJKO? Just jerkin' cock overtime. Jujutsu Kaisen 0. I don't know what Jujutsu Kaisen is, but I hope you enjoyed it. It's an anime. Oh. The only anime I watch is Hamtaro, so... Look, there he is! Hamtaro's in my house! Whoa! Don't do... Oh! Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's got a panda that fights people and talks. Yeah, so does DreamWorks, but I'm not watching it. Sorry. Did the panda and Ranma talk? What happens if I play this fucked up evil disc? You see this broken one? What happens if I put this in? Oh my, someone jorking their Minecraft peanuts? Someone electroshocking their Minecraft balls? Can I just leave this on repeat in my home? What am I listening to? That's it? That's Beatles Anthology 4? It sucked. The hell, man? I've basically been playing Minecraft nonstop, but I haven't really been doing anything. I've been saving it all for the stream. Because I'm a freak. I'm a certified freak 7 days a week. Get a mop and a bucket for that wet ass P word. All right, throw that in there. I didn't play any yesterday because Sunday with extra hours of work wiped me out. But then I got a text saying, hey, you should watch Jujutsu Kaisen. And I leapt into action. You ever think you're going to watch anything good? No offense to Jujutsu Kaisen, but like, hey man, you ever watch like Casablanca? Hey man, you ever watch Citizen Kane? Hey man, you ever watch Lawrence of Arabia? I only watch good movies like Billy Madison. Yeah, see, like that's what I'm talking about, man. Someday, I pray you meet a huzz who wants you to watch anything that isn't slop. I pray. I'll watch the MCU. That one's fucking crazy to me, man. That's like, Kirby, that's like hundreds of hours of garbage. Like, like, please, man. I'm begging you, man. I bet that comes to approximately 100 hours of just fucking garbage. Marge! Hi, Lucas. Lucas, thank you for the tip about the coal blocks. Because I was like a little bit pissed off when I saw that. It was like, man, someone built this just in the middle of everyone's shit and just left it to spread. I was like, what the fuck, guys? And then when you told me that, I was still like, you know, what the fuck, guys? But at least there's a way to stop it. Thank you for the tip. Random nether portal spawned near my house too. Well, do you think it spawned, or do you think someone went into the nether, got lost, and then built a portal to come out? And when they came out right next to your house. I already had my nether portal built. Right, but do you think... yeah, I don't know, maybe. They should have just come out of my house. Yeah, but people are dumb. All right, let's get the furniture book. Paladin's Furniture. This is what we're going to be reading today. Chat, welcome to this old house. Welcome to this old house. Today we're going to be building bathtub. Crafting bathtub. Quartz. Wait. We need a furniture workbench. How does one get... Here we go. Woodworking table. Crafted on the vanilla crafting table. You need 8 of any wood planks and 1 iron ingot. All right. Any wood planks and 1 iron ingot. Yeah, we're gonna do some furniture making today. Iron is the rarest thing in the game. Okay, so it's not just me and Caitlin who noticed that. Okay, good. Why is iron insane? Wood working. Dude, I'm hiccuping. I just ate like 3 pickle spears and now I can't stop hiccuping. Wood. Where's the woodworking table? I've actually found a lot of iron on Mars. Living wood avatar? What the fuck is that? Life on Mars? Dude, look at all the crazy beds we could make. Oh, that's cool. Mars! Where's the woodworking table? Look at the nice sinks you could make. Ooh! Ooh! How do I make the woodworking table? Sled? What do you mean there's a sled? Okay, hold on. You've piqued my interest. What do you mean there's a sled? This mod pack has everything in the kitchen sink. Okay, it was like this. Sled. Whoa! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Hold on, put it on. Hold on, put it on. Where? Thank you. Guys, I don't think this is it. Guys, I don't think this is it. Hold on. Guys, where's Jingle Frogs? Guys, where's Jingle Frogs? I can't... Damn it. Guys, where is Jingle Frogs? Has YouTube gotten rid of Jingle Frogs? Is this the hellscape we live in? Is this the nightmare I was born into? We actually live in hell. Jingle Frogs isn't on YouTube anymore. What I'm just gonna say, what's the point of being alive? Where the fuck is Jingle Frogs, man? What the fuck did I just... Guys, I'm getting pissed off. Guys, it's not looking good. I don't want to say this publicly, but Olympus has fallen. What do you mean page not found? It's a YouTube link, bud. How'd you not find it, bud? Thank you. Play it again. Run. I don't hear it. Turn your speakers up. Just turn your speakers up. This isn't working. I'm living in hell. I'm living in hell. I'm living in hell. Where are Jingle Frogs, man? I'm getting mad. I'm getting fucking mad, dude. Great, this'll work. Hold on. Just work with me here, please. Please, can you please just work with me here? I have to make this from scratch, okay? No, turn it down. That's, you know what? That's a good amount. This VOD's fucked. This VOD's so fucked now.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Was this worth it?
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a
Was this worth it?
open sleigh. Dashing through the
You waited 25 minutes for this.
one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on Buckhill ring, making our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing
It's the song. You gotta get the right song. This ain't the right song. Hold on. No. Wrong. Shut the fuck up. Wrong. This wouldn't happen if YouTube.com didn't delete Jingle Frogs. First they took my Jingle Frogs, and I said nothing, for I was not a frog. Shut up! I'm getting mad. I'm just gonna say there's not gonna be any Christmas this year if this shit continues. Mark timed out. Uh-oh. What do you mean timed out? I timed out? What do you mean I timed out? It's my server. You can't time me out. Uh-oh. Guys, this time I didn't hit any buttons. Guys, honest to God, this time I did not do this one. I think the server's down. Bisect Hosting is saying we're using 0% network on the server. But it's also saying people are still connected. Yeah, I think the server went down. Why? Why did it go down? All right, well, there's only one thing we can do at a time like this. This is all we can do at a time like this. When we face tragedy together, we grow stronger. When the Tower of Babylon, when Olympus has fallen, Who will you crawl to? What will you do? Will you cry? Will you weep like the worm you are? Or will you build a house of gold from the ashes? Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Kiss my ass, smell my must. And to the steeple go the people, into the power is the fortitude and the longitude. And on the first day, God said, let's do this. And on the second day, he said, maybe not. All right, I'm restarting the whole server. Guys, I'm on the phone with the server host. I'm on Tyler. Tyler, turn the server. Tyler, sweetheart, turn the server on. Tyler, you tripped over the server. Tyler, turn the server on. Tyler. Tyler, sweetheart. Okay, Bisect is still showing 0 bytes of network. Bisect is saying, I'm getting word from Tyler. Help, Tyler. Tyler, help, Tyler. Tyler, sweetheart, turn the server on, Tyler. Tyler, you have to, Tyler, no. Tyler, put down the Mr. Pimp, Tyler. Tyler, don't pour that on the server, Tyler. Oh, fuck, I'm stuck in my sled. Merry Christmas, y'all. All right, that was fun. No more of that. Christmas is canceled. No more of that. I don't know what happened there, but glad I was there to fix it. No one else could have done what I did there. I'm a one-man army. Call my ass John Pleasure, the way I'm a one-man army. No, that's not the name of the guy from Die Hard. What's the name of the guy from Die Hard? Jerry Thompson. What were we doing before Christmas? There is Christmas. There's a ton of Christmas shit, by the way, that I want to do. But I think we're going to save that for like next week. Yeah, like, look, you can build those Christmas tree you can build. I think we're going to save that for next week. I'm going to put up our Minecraft Christmas tree. Geriatric is this streamer's name. Jerry! No, I don't like yelling that. It feels like Seinfeld. And I don't like Seinfeld. It scares me. There's too many white people on Seinfeld. Okay, see, this doesn't show me the recipe for making the woodworking table, the woodwicky table. Sam Witwicky. Isn't our whole Minecraft server white people? Is it? Good on that, man. I'm gonna go play Kirby's Air Riders. I'm gonna go play. I'm willing to trad. What is he, trad wifing? What's going on there? How do I make the furniture table? There it is. There it is. There it is. Doot, doot, doot. Okay. All right. Woodworking bench. Oh, look at this. Kitchen filler cabinet. Oh. Oh. Look at all this shit we can make. Basic bathtub. All right, so we got to figure out what we're trying to make here, you know. Toaster? Toasters? Look at this, dude. Wart clap. Oh, wait. Wait, we can make wart wood? Wait. Wart. I could, wait, you could make wart wood? Oh, shit. There's wart wood. Ooh. Yeah, but do I like that more than red log? Red bone. Where was the red log? The fuck is that? Staff of Azratagul. Yeah, I think that's what I'll make next. Ooh, ornaments. Yippee! Dude, there's so much Christmas stuff. Yeah, I kind of like red planks more. I'm gonna go with the red planks for the barn. What was I doing? What are we making? Tell me your secret, oh book o' mine. Dye kit. Oh, so could we dye? Can I make a bathtub? Hold on. Isn't that Redbone? Bath. Can I dye the bathtub? Bucket, stone. All right, let's make some bathtubs. Where are we putting the bathroom in the house? What if like this is the bathroom? Right? Like what if we do like this enough? No, it needs to be bigger. Okay, like what about this? What if this is where you go to shit it? Man, but that's tiny. I can't shit it in here. Guys, I didn't account for a bathroom. Okay, yeah. What if this is the bathroom? Okay. Do we need a window in the bathroom? Probably not. We could do like a tub and a shitter and a sink. Okay. Am I cooking or is this fucked? All right, like tub here, toilet here, sink here. I feel like that's a standard bathroom setup, no? The problem is this is in a room, but this isn't in a room. So it just feels weird. It feels like there's a room inside my room. So what we need to do then is we're gonna build hallways. See? Whoa. Whoa. Now this is coming together, man. What do we put here? I don't know. Skeleton. All right. We got a 1 bed, 1 bath. This is going to be good. We're going to put so much furniture in here. Oh, it's going to look good. Okay. What are we building? I wanted to see if there was like tile. You know, you got to do like a tile floor for the bathroom. Ooh, calcite tile slab. Yeah, what if I do some calcite tile? What do I need? Polished calcite bricks. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me just pop that polished calcite real quick. Okay, so we need calcite. Then calcite we can polish. We're gonna be on this for a bit, chat. So buckle your ass in. I was gonna say your balls, but you know what? Some of you don't have balls. God bless. If you knew what I go through. If only you knew how I suffer. All right. Let's see here. Let's do bathtub. We need a bucket, 2 stone buttons, and 5 blocks of quartz. Do we have quartz? Quartz. Is this alphabetized? Quartz. Dude, I don't even have quartz. I can't even make a bathtub. I need quartz. 1 quartz, please. Quartz is only in the nether. Really? Quartz. Shit said. Fucking shits it. Ooh, ooh, look at the weathered copper tiles, though. Ooh. Wait a minute. Ooh. What do I need for that? Oxidized copper. Okay, well that doesn't fucking... This is not helpful to me. Exposed copper tiles. Copper tiles. How do I make copper tiles? Hmm. That might be good for a bathroom. God, but it's so green. Would a green bathroom floor even look good? Gosh, OG, I just don't know. Like I could do... Copper. I mean, it doesn't look like this is going to be hard to do. To set up. Like, it looks like I just take a copper bar and I can I can yop it. On the stone cutter. Whoa, scaffolding, bars, copper shingles. Wait. Let me see what those look like. Let me see what these look like. They look the same. I gotta level with you. That's the shingle. Oh. Let's look from the top, though. Looks like it would hurt my tootsies. This is nice, though. We might make the roof out of this. But I don't think it's the right call for the floor. So what is the right floor? We need tile flooring. What looks like bathroom tiles? Maybe the calcite. I wish you could like 3D view it. You know, that'd be cool. Pyrite tiles. I think we should go calcite tiles because the tub's gonna be white. So we should like match the tub, right? Stalanganite. I wish I could see what it looks like. Smaragdant. Smaragdant. Oh, Jesus. Okay, that's... What do I want the bathroom? Nether brick tiles. That don't look bad. What should the bathroom floor look like? Oh, we could make it out of diamond. That's crazy to me. There isn't just like checkered tiles. Is it maybe like kitchen? The kitchen tiles. Ooh, look at this down here. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. We're gonna build that kitchen big. Kitchen stovetop. Dark concrete. Oh, dude. Fucked up evil concrete. Dude, that's not even hard to build. Look at that. Ooh. We're gonna bring this out. More, maybe? Or we're gonna move all these chests downstairs. And we'll put the kitchen range like here. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Kitchen range will go here. Workshop in the basement. Bathroom off of the bedroom. And then we still, you know, we got like a whole observatory I want to build. We've accomplished nothing in the last 78 hours. What have I... Tiles. I think we do white tile. So what did I need for that? Calcite? Calcite tiles. Polished calcite. What you make? Ooh matter. And calcite dust. Okay, Lucas, you said calcite is in the nether? Or quartz is in the nether? How do I get calcite? We're gonna look it up. I'm gonna go to google.com. Minecraft calcite. Okay. Oh, this is in vanilla. Calcite generates naturally as part of the structure of amethyst geodes. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so it's rare. All right, but if we look for Big Rock Mountains, we can find it in Big Rock Mountains. So, let's get on my boy Roger. Let's go fly around and see if we can find some big mountains. What do I need for the bathtub? Is it quartz? It can be used to remove dye off armor. Oh. And you could sleep in it. Oh, okay. Crafting. Oh, okay. Quartz is in the nether. Okay. Quartz is in the nether. And we need that for bathtubs. What's this? Is there a giant flying head? Excuse me. Excuse me, what's all this then? What the fuck is this? What did I find? And why does it seem like there's nothing inside and no point to it? What the fuck is this? I'm getting scared, man. There's nothing inside. There's nothing inside. All right. Okay, we need big rock mountains. That's where we get the calcite, and the calcite makes the floor. Then we go to the nether. We get the quartz. And then we can shit in our bathtub. As God intended. As God is my witness, I'm going to shit in this bathtub. Hello? That's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good at all. I found out what crashed the server. Okay. What? Because I don't know what's causing this. They did maintenance today. And it was supposed to help shit. So I don't know what's going on. And I really would like to know what's going on. Did we actually find what crashed the server or what? is that actually? Hold on. Fuck off. What are we talking? Are we talking about the Ender Pearls or the Eye of Ender? How do I? What the fuck? Wow, he really wasn't kidding. All right, Robbie. I was like, this is a load of shit. No, you're right. What the fuck? Lucas, what do we do about that, bud? Did we just ban the Eye of Ender? You know, throwing? Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, is that, I mean, what do we got to do? What's the. Like, did we just tell people, like, don't fucking throw the Eye of Ender? Or what? You know, like, what's the. So there's a corrupted chunk. Conflicting mods, corrupting chunks. This is above my pay grade. Um, all right. Uh, interesting. Yo, the better MC mod? Yeah, I don't know. Is it part of Texit? I don't know. If it's part of Texit 4, yes. If it's not part of Texit 4, then no. Oh, graveyard. Oh, big fucking Orkman. Hi, Orkman. Hmm. All right. Well, I want to explore this shit. Do I have a fence? Yeah, okay. Let's tie him up because I do want to explore. Bitch. Bitch. All right, chat, don't forget that I put him over there. Ooh, I want those iron bars. Ooh. Okay. So this is all gonna be robbable. It's not that I'm particularly looking for anything. It's just the idea that there are things. It just excites the idea of dead people excites me. Jesus. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the range on... Okay, alright. We got my weapon of choice. Whoa! Okay. Amethyst shards, I feel like, are gonna be pretty useful. I love Robin Graves. I love Robin Graves. Whoa! Okay, alright, okay. Hold on. Cool shit's happening. Cool shit's happening. Fuck. Am I gonna make any progress today on anything? Do you think? Can we get a poll in the chat? Will anything of note happen today, or am I just gonna rob graves? Whoa. A whole ass mausoleum. Okay. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Just gonna go ahead and... Why I decided to come out here with like an almost full inventory, I do not know, but... Okay. Oh, they were cooking it on the campfire. This is whose camp is this? This is a huge camp. Block of gold. Take that. We actually need that for the end game. For Margecraft Endgame. Dark iron ingot. We need that. Just a block of diamond ore. Yeah, man. Why not? Yeah, man. Sounds good. We'll just... Sure, man. These gravestones are green glazed urn. What? Can I have this? I want that. I want that urn. Bones. Yones. Take these. I'll take all of this. I love grave robbing. Okay, where was that? Yeah, there's like a mausoleum. Right? Where did I see that? Danger, turn back? Yeah, fucking right. The Wither Skeleton Mill? Oh. Hey man, I'm just here to make a bathroom. Yeah, let me just get in there real quick. Hey, you guys need a bathroom? I'm here for the bathroom estimate. Oh, fuck. Dungeon time. I'm so not prepared for this. Warglaive. Whoa, we're taking that. Excuse me. Alright, fuck it. Fuck it, we'll just go through a dungeon. Fuck it. That's scary. I want that. Oh, it just exploded into bones. Oh. Wanted that. Another name tag. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna take them because they're nice looking. And, you know, that's what you do, man. You go into, like, ancient cultures, mausoleums, and you just rob them blind. That's what... Ooh. Ooh. Wither skeleton hand. I'll take a blast furnace. Why not? I'll take a little blast furnace. There are multiple? Why are there bones in the blast furnace? Oh, well, there was no, like, scary Netherman. Oh. I thought, like, a scary boss was gonna spawn. Oh, these are blocks of coal. Wait. That's useful. What are you doing in there? Ow. 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 Smooth basalt. Do I want smooth basalt? Is that it though? That was the wither skeletons? That was the dreaded wither skeletons? That's it? That wasn't scary at all. I only pissed my pants a little. Hold on, I feel like I saw something up there. Something's cooking. Oh. I think that's what I saw. Night vision diamond armor? Oh, yeah, yeah, bud. And ancient debris. Okay. Soul Star. Give me these. I don't think my... Yeah, I don't got shit on my diamond. Oh, man, I'm swapping out. Putting that fucking night vision on. Getting that goddamn... That. Ooh. Night vision and projectile protection. Alright, well. That was cute. Did we find... Guys, did we find... calcite? I wasn't paying attention. Can't we, like, grind up the bones into calcite? It's, like, basically calcite. Calcium. It's, like, basically the same thing. Or these. If you could have your bones ground up in compacted into metal or into like a block and then like placed at like Walt Disney World, would you do it? You could be like a brick in like the Finding Nemo ride. I think I'd do it. I think I'd be cool with being turned into a brick, but only if can you fuck off? Only if they put me in the Finding Nemo ride. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know that it's nighttime because I got night vision. Oh shit. And I don't remember where I parked my bird. Uh-oh. I don't remember where I parked my bird. It was this way. Fuck you. Where did I park my bird? Why did I not place a... What the fuck is that? Why did I not place a waypoint? I don't trust him. All right, where'd I park my bird? Thought I put him like over here. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Where'd I park my bird? Ah, fuck. Why did I not place a waypoint? Where the fuck? Uh-oh. Where'd I park my bird? Well, there's the fountain. Oh, okay. All right, and there's John Scream Man. What the fuck? Who's that? I think I figured out who lives here. Oh man, we went around a circle. Okay. Map's not really helping me right now. Did I park him in the graveyard? I thought I parked him out of the graveyard. The fuck is that? I don't like it here, man. I want to go make a bathtub, man. I don't want to be here, man. The fuck is going on? Where did I put my fucking... Where'd I put my bird, man? Where'd I park my fucking bird? Orc! Oh, Jesus Christ, please. Please, God, where's my bird? Please, man. Where's my bird, man? Help me! Where's my fucking bird, man? Where's my bird? The minimap is no help. There's no way Roger died, right? They wouldn't kill Roger. Where'd you come from, bitch? Franken fuck! Get out of here! Where's my bird, man? And why hasn't anyone slept? Go to sleep! Where's my fucking bird? No, I didn't rob these graves, but I can. but I will. Is that a sock? Wait, there's are there nunchucks in this game? No, but there's sais and katanas. I lost a sai! Hey, my Blu-ray's being delivered tomorrow. There might not be a stream tomorrow night. I'm just gonna level with you. I might skip Margecraft tomorrow night. Okay. A diamond sai? What if can I put it in my offhand? Oh my fucking god, dude. I need another sai. Holy shit. If I get a second diamond, oh my god, that's gonna be so dope. Fuck yeah. I need another one. Please, God. Give me another sai. I could be a healer? Oh, fuck me, man. All right, where's my bird? Where'd I park my fucking bird, man? Does anyone remember? Let me see. I don't even see Roger. I don't see him on the mini-map anywhere. Guys, did they kill Roger? There's no way. Why would they kill Roger? He wasn't... He's like a horse. Why would they kill Roger? He was just a boy. Dripstone. Do I want dripstone? Dripstone sounds like I gotta go to the doctor. Dripstone sounds like I gotta see a urologist. He's gotta be this way. Where? I think he's gone. You know, fuck it. I don't care. Game mode. Creative. Where'd I park my stupid fucking bird? This area is not big enough for me to lose him. So how did I lose him? There he is. It's because I was looking at the wrong side. What's up, Raj? No. Oh, no. He's tied down. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go home. Our pockets are full of shit that we didn't come here to get. Nothing has been accomplished. The hell is that? Well, now what? Now I gotta unload my pockets. Okay. So we're gonna put, let's see. I've got, oh, let's do this one. Hey, you want to see something cool?
Yeah. You want to see my everlasting meat?
Oh, I've got a ton of everlasting meat.
Oh, do you? Oh, I brought you one in this chest.
No, I'm loaded up on it. What did I figure out last night? I can't remember. I found something where if I right-clicked, it looked like I was jorking it.
Here, you want one of these? There you go. Behind you.
Oh, okay. I'll take another one.
Yeah, I always put one down when I'm like looting stuff and I do get back real quickly. I got you some stuff.
Okay. All right. Hold on.
Excuse my Tourette.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. What's the anchor tree?
It's some crazy tree I found in, look at the planks it makes. I found it in the Nether. It's a giant tree in the Nether.
Ooh, okay. All right.
Yeah, it's green.
That's what's up. And then it looks like, okay, you gave me like a CD that you shot come on. Thank you for that.
Yeah, yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for the free things. I appreciate it.
Yeah. You want to see something really cool in the Nether?
Maybe in a bit. My pockets are full of things from grave robbing, and I need to empty
Oh
them.
my god, is that where you got these pots?
Yeah, I'm loaded up on stuff. I have pillaged a whole graveyard.
Holy fuck, those hold so much.
Yeah.
What the fuck? My Tourette's is flaring. I'm so sorry.
I didn't know that that's what is it? A skulk? Is that what you guys are? Or shulk?
Yeah. Shulk, yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that's what you guys did. So I was like talking to Rain and heard that. I like immediately was like, what the fuck is that? Oh, I'll get my weapons. Okay, what the hell?
Yeah, we figured out why the Eye of Ender does what it does.
Why's that?
So one of the mod packs changes how strongholds spawn. They
Okay.
don't spawn as strongholds. They spawn underneath a certain type of village. And so when you throw the Eye of Ender, it looks for a stronghold that doesn't exist, and so it just constantly searches the entire server to no
Okay.
end, and it just crashes the server because it never finds it.
Jesus.
Yeah. I like your house.
Thank you. You know, the plan for today was make a bathroom, and that's not happening.
It might once you go to the city I'm about to show you in the Nether, and you're gonna be like, "Holy fuck! I need my bathtub made out of this."
We got so much stuff. I got my inventory's full. My backpack is full.
Oh, your place is cool. Yeah, art. Wait, what backpacks do I have? Oh, I have the diamond backpack as well. I have netherite to make the blazing backpack, but you can't upgrade into the other two.
Okay.
I like your finger puppet poster.
Thanks, man. This is this is work. Okay. Food. 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 These dun 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 dun. All right, I'm ready. You can show me what you want to show me, and I gotta get back to work.
All right. I'm not gonna. I can put down a waste down real quick, so we can just go there. Or do you want to go to your waste down there?
It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do.
Oops. Oh yeah. Okay, it's unnamed. That's fine. I'll let you break it. Go to Slavic Village. Follow me.
Yeah. Oh. Like the glass. I like the glass.
Oh yeah, you can't do this.
No, I cannot do that.
Here, let me put down some dirt for you. Alright, come to this pillar, and you're gonna hit Beautiful City Nether.
What the hell?
Yeah, come here, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude, I came across this. Oh, that creeper will explode into lava. Let me kill that. Okay, it's dead. Yeah, you can respawn here if you pay
What?
like. Yeah.
What
Dude,
the hell?
Here's your squares you can use for your your tub. And like you can use this gold trim right here for the pillars.
Oh fuck. Yeah, that's nice. God damn it.
Yeah. Like look at these look at this. Like the Cincinnite is crazy. Like you can trim your tub. Look at this brick plate. Oh.
This is crazy.
Just be careful out here, right?
Ooh, that's nice.
Mhm.
Ooh, just gonna steal people's houses wholesale. Put it down where my house is.
Up here is like a new lantern. It's made of that it's like cinnamon, Cincinnati. I
Yeah.
can't say it. Fuck me.
What the?
Dude, you can put these around you can put this around your tub over here, man. Oh, careful. But yeah, look at these big ass fireballs. You can throw in your tub.
Jesus. What the hell?
Careful, I hear hoglins up here.
Where is that? It's in the nether somewhere, apparently.
Yeah, I think they're up here. Let me get them. Oh no, they're just piglins. You're so cute. Good, look behind you. Check out that nether biome.
Jesus.
You see that tree in the middle of the lava? That's
Yeah.
that green wood I was talking about. It's from that tree.
What the fuck?
Yeah, do
This
not
is-
hit these. Do not hit these.
Yeah, I know. I made that mistake
Okay.
before.
Okay. But come here over here. If you look at that glass, it's like glass paned with the Cincinnite. You can make like
Yeah.
it's so cool.
What the hell? This is nuts.
Oh my god.
I'm good. I'm good. Wow.
Ooh, jellyfish. You see this jellyfish?
Where is it?
South?
Whoa! I want to ride it.
Me too.
All right, so
Here's
the
your-
next time you come over here, this entire area is gonna be gone because I'll just have
Yeah, yeah,
stolen
yeah.
all of it.
Good. I heard you talking about your tub. I was like, dude, yes. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, this place
whoa!
is like,
The willow planks. That's not. I like that. That's a
Whoa.
good
I
shade.
didn't notice those.
I like that.
He's just rubbing his little fingers together. Here's your wart trees.
Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna steal from
Grow 'em
those.
here. They got soul lilies. You can grow them here. And...
Jesus. All right, so I'm just gonna live here now. Fuck
Yeah,
my
yeah,
old
just
house.
I'm a fucking king.
Yeah, I built this all myself,
Yeah,
guys. Welcome to
check
my
out these
kingdom.
forges. Yeah, look at these forges. They're like
Yeah.
Cincinnati forges. They're really pretty.
God, that's dope.
Oh yeah, it's this way. But yeah.
Oh, now Lucas wants to come.
Alright, I'm gonna go get him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Uh,
Magma creeper. Uh-oh.
Okay, it didn't blow up, thank God. It blows up in the lava.
Uh-oh. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. What the
That's a
hell's
big
going
boy.
on?
Yeah, that happens.
This is dope.
Alright, if you want to get back, it's Robbie's nether portal.
Okay. All right. What the fuck?
Take me to the portal.
Take me to your portal. But feel free to look at my chest and take whatever you want. I have really cool ores and shit. On the left, there's like
What the hell?
the bluish bars on the bottom make magic resistance armor. The ones next to it, like the I forget what it's called, like palladium. It's like It makes this armor I have, it's fire resistant.
What the hell? Brother, I'm just trying to build a bathtub and you got palladium fireproof armor.
Yeah, I hear you. Now listen. Take me to hell.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Me. Did you offer quartz? Question mark. What is this? I don't like it. Nether quartz and dimensional door. Is that what I need? Is nether quartz, or don't I just need normal? What do I need? Quartz. No, I don't want. Oh, wait, this makes. Wait, nether quartz ore makes what? How do I make just a block of quartz? Oh. I'll take some. I'll take some. Oh. Why is this place called Slavic Village? And why do I feel like I should be offended? And also, how the fuck do I get home? Onions? I'll take onions. Sure, man. I'll take... Sure, man. That scared the fuck out of me. How do I get home? Where do I live? Guys, that's a really far way away. How do I go home? A duck! I can figure this out. I can figure this out. I can figure this out. Why does this town seems like a nightmare? Like this is your house? This is where, damn bitch, you live like this? Okay, alright, hold on. The fuck? I'm looting, I'm stealing all his stuff. I need a iron one. A diarrhea one. I need diarrhea. Are those nunchucks? Oh, it's twin blade. Never mind. Where do I live? Ow. Dude, if we get a second diamond sai, it's fucking over for anyone. Just this one is 8 damage, you know, like, watch this. Boom, boom. Oh, that range is really bad. Oh, fuck that. Dude, I couldn't even one-shot a snake. Uh-oh. That's your... I don't even have a blocker range. Never mind, the size sucks. Never mind, we're doing Ninja Turtles on any... Ninja Turtles 1 on NES shit. The size sucks. Damn. All right. All right, back to work on the bathroom. Back to work on the shitter. Oh. Oh, he brought me a lot of nether quartz. Oh, he did in fact bring me a lot of nether quartz. Hello? You come to kill me? Hi! Oh my god, hi! Damn, everyone's dropping in this episode. Alright, I gotta go figure out how to make things. How do I make stuff and or things? Is that really all my coal? That's sad. Let's see what the new record sounds like. It's gonna get me copyright claimed. It sounds like what's the band? Like Mumford & Sons or whatever. You belong with me, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. That shit sucks. That shit fucking blows. Hey man, can I cook an onion? Can I put an onion in the blast furnace? Don't I have a bunch of blocks of coal? Yeah, I need this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get DMCA'd for this shit. Wait, take that out. Can I cook this onion? No, you can't. You can't saute an onion in the blast furnace. I bet with the Farmer's Delight mod and shit, I can do it. All right, let's become onion farmers. Why not? What have we got to lose? Didn't build a barn. Haven't built a bathtub. I want a machine that auto sorts this shit for me. That would be so nice. Turn off the fucking music. Shut it off! Pissing me off. Oh man, it's busted. All right. Put those in there. Anyone got calcite? Wasn't that a song Somewhere Over the Rainbow? Yeah, that's why I'm saying, hey, I'm gonna get fucking DMCA'd. Can I rob you for it? Go smart. All right, I told her I'd bring her gifts. Where are all the gifts? You can have my diamond armor. You have the diamond spear. Wait, don't fill me up with things. Wait, no. Please, I'm trying to get my pockets empty, please. I'll take them. But please.
One more thing behind you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. A magma creeper spawned next to me, and I went to attack it, and I hit the piglins, and now they're all pissed at me.
Oh.
Oh wait, yeah, there's two. Sorry. There you go. For your glorious bathroom. I want to see it fucking glorious.
I don't think it's gonna be that glorious. Ow!
Sorry, I forgot I spit.
What else do I need to grab?
Alright, how many diamonds do I have to pay you for it to be glorious?
I need to build a bigger house for it to be glorious.
Alright, how many diamonds?
I don't know. I gotta figure out where I put. Where did I put these?
Okay, well, hopefully that's enough diamonds for you to build a glorious bathhouse for me.
All right, thank you.
Achoo!
She'll probably want that sign. All right, let's go rob her for calcite. This is not how I get to my bird. Oh, so you can take the lead off of him. She even home? She's not even home. She's over this way. Lo, I've come to rob you.
Okay.
Oh, I see where
Now,
you're getting.
now if you're here, you can just take it
Yeah,
yourself.
I see that. I didn't know calcite was in there. Damn. Okay. I brought gifts, and somehow forgot a piece of fence to be able to tie up. Goddamn Roger. All right, I gotta get him in the hole. There we go. There's no way he'll fly away.
What do you-
All right,
yeah, there's no way.
all right. I'm stealing calcite, but I brought you gifts. Oh, topaz is nice. Okay, gifts.
Yeah, there's a big scary monster on the other side of this, though.
Oh,
You hear him?
yeah. Uh-oh. Ow.
Yeah, I just keep it covered up and I stay away from the wall.
Just pretend he's not even there.
Listening to the soothing sounds of his groans. Oh.
All right. I got gifts for you. I got this, which still doesn't work like we wanted to, but I figured you'd like that more than the pelican one. Oh, thank you. I got some diamond armor for you. There's
Cool. I have
record.
no boots, so that's perfect.
Okay, I've got wither roses. Do you have wither roses?
No.
Okay, you'll love those. I've got this blue sign that I thought you would like.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I found urns at this graveyard, and you can put them down, and they've got
It's
like
just- you can like put stuff in it.
yeah, they've got huge storage space.
Is it like storage or is it like a trash?
It's like a storage, I hope, because I'm putting good shit in it. Hey, where'd Roger go?
He's right here. I'm staring at him.
God damn it, Roger. Hold on, we could probably fight this guy. Hey, do you want to fight the weird groaning man?
Sure.
I bet we could take him.
I just know I wouldn't be able to do it alone, so I didn't try.
All right. Well, that's what I'm here for. Ow, ow. This is coming together. Oh, what are these? Oh, the cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, did you make these?
Yeah.
Wait, are you woodworking?
What do you... No?
Okay, because I still
What?
I haven't gotten to do any. I haven't done any furniture making.
Yeah, no, this is just like normal... I don't know.
Okay.
Took some planks.
Yeah, I haven't done any of the furniture making yet, but I need the calcite for the tubs, and I can make you a white tub. And you might be able to dye it a different color, but I haven't figured that out yet. But I
I
went
need dogs.
looking for calcite and found a giant graveyard. And then when I got back
What?
from the graveyard,
That
Uh,
sounds cool. What the hell? How dare you not tell me about the graveyard?
well, then I got back from it, and Robbie was immediately in my house and took me to hell to show me a hell palace. And I was like, cool, thank you. And then I got back from that, and Kirby was in my house. And I'm not even gonna say what he was doing. Unholy
Is he
things.
playing with his spyglass?
No, I haven't shown. I told you I'm not showing him. You can do that. Oh yeah, we're gonna kick his ass.
Oh, okay. I thought you were about to say we're like fuck.
No, no. He's
Oh,
dead.
I can't even get in there. He's dead?
Yep, I got him.
Is that easy?
Yeah, it was that easy.
He hit me once earlier when I first got here, and he like really fucked me up. So I just was like, I'm not dealing with this.
Well, yeah, he's dead. He dropped 2 shards of amethyst if you want them.
Yes, please.
Okay. Alright. Alright, thank you for the calcite. I'll hopefully be back shortly with your bathtub, which you can fill with water.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. And you can sleep in it.
Oh,
Less fun.
it's a choice.
you were less tickled pink by that fact than the previous one. Okay, now I'm out here. I got 2 stacks. All right, chat, this is our moment. This is the big moment of the stream. We're finally gonna build a bathtub. Finally, a bathtub. Thank God. Finally, someone, for the first time since Captain Sparkles, finally someone good enough at Minecraft to build a bathtub. Thank God. I'll just say, hey, did Captain Sparkles ever build a bathtub in Minecraft? I don't think so. I don't fucking think so, Mac. Why did this make glass? What did I just do? I just made glass out of all of this. Oh, I just wasted all of this. Oh, I just wasted all of this. Ah, fuck. I just wasted all of that quartz. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Well, fuck. I at least do cool shit with it? No, you can't do fucking anything with it. You maroon, you fucking Nimrod. Okay. I was supposed to. Okay, bathtub. Here we go. Okay, block of quartz. Oh, wait, the quartz was for that? Well, then what was the calcite for? I got this all flipped around, man. What the fuck? What was the calcite for? Was it for calcite tiles? I guess. Polished calcite. Okay, so if I smelt the calcite, it becomes polished calcite. And then that I can cut into the tiles. Yeah, I thought calcite was for the tub. I was wrong. Even now I know I was wrong. I fucked up. Now you're gone. This has been a disaster of a stream. What happens if I cook the everlasting beef? Oh, eternal steak. Huh. What do you know? Holy shit. That's convenient. Alright. We can make a quartz chair. Great. See, this is where we're going to put the kitchen. Okay, so we'll do like the kitchen here, and then we'll do like a little like table and chairs to sit on. Alright, you guys are pissing me off. Yeah, come on in, guys. Anyone else want to go inside? Hey, see what happens if you go inside. See what happens. Oh, yeah, join your friends. Go ahead. No, no, no. Come here. Harvey! Oh my god. Harvey! How do I heal Harvey? Harvey! No, it's alright, bud. You're okay, buddy. Come here. Harvey!
Honey, I'm home.
Oh, Harv. Down in the basement.
Where you belong.
Just fucking smashed my hamster's face in with a spear accidentally. So.
No. Fine.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I went out one of my nether portals and guess what? It was all smooth smooth quartz stones everywhere.
Hell yeah.
I didn't
Okay.
make 'em.
Fuck yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I thought if I cooked the quartz, it would be this more smooth quartz block. But no, instead I just made a shit ton of quartz glass that I don't even
Is it pretty?
need.
You can make the bottom of the tub clear.
Well, so I'm using the woodworking, the Paladin's furniture mod. That's what I'm doing. So with it, I can build an actual bathtub and like put water into it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice. It's a cool mod.
All right, question. Do you want to bedazzle the backpack? Or what is it called?
Oh, wait a second. Wait a minute.
What's up?
Is there a way to unsmooth this quartz? Hold on. Maybe I can put it in the stone cutter because it needs to be not smooth.
All right,
Oh no!
I'll go mining for quartz. I'll be a slave for an
I'm
hour.
sorry.
Bye.
How do I unsmooth it? Fuck. Why can't I just read, man? I wasted so much of his fucking time. Jesus Christ, man. I have so much shit I don't need or want now. How do I unsmooth? How do I unsmooth, please? There has to be a way. How do I unsmooth? What do I do? Fuck. uh, well, you know, maybe I can make something cool out of it. Let's see, what about the quartz frame? Oh, look, I can make the framed quartz glass with the glass. So that's good. Let's see, what about aqua dashers? No? Okay. No. What about a quartz lantern? No. What about a quartz door? No. What about a quantum chest? Okay, this is above. This is quarry. Wait. Are there mining turtles? Oh my god, there's mining turtles. Oh fuck. Oh my fucking god, dude. I could build I could build a turtle. Oh my god. Dude, we're barely at the surface. I could build a mining turtle and it could strip mine for me, and then everything could sort into chests. Oh fuck. Oh, shit. Guys, I hate to say it, Margecraft is never gonna end. I didn't want to be the one to tell you this. Margecraft is never over. What do I feed my hamster? How do I save him? How to heal Minecraft hamster. Seeds? Google is saying seeds, but that might be for a different Minecraft hamster mod. Let's get it with good shit. Where's the beetroot seeds? Where's Harv? Harvey? Where's Harvey? Harvey? There he is. It's where. Oh, he fucks now. Oh, Harvey horny. Oh. Directly into the sob light. There's definitely sorting mods. And I need the sorting mod to sort my fucking shit into chests better. Because I'm getting anxiety. The way this is all sorted is freaking me out. All right, we have the polished calcite. Now what we're gonna do is we want it to be calcite tiles. And let me just... Yeah, you know what? That looks like bathroom tiles. Oh, I gotta go make the other ones, duh. What is this? Planned calcite? Polished. There we go. There's the bathroom floor done. That only took... How many hours did that take, chat room? That was a record amount of hours. The most amount of hours ever spent playing Minecraft. Many are calling this the worst Minecraft player of all time. Many are calling him the worst man to have ever lived. My furniture book. Ooh, fridges and freezers. Ooh. The freezer comes built into the fridge, except for the Xbox Series X fridge. What? What do you say? Xbox Series X fridge. Wait. Wait. No, wait. Okay, I gotta learn concrete. Okay, all right. What would we freeze? Why do we need to freeze? Usage freezing. Okay. Beds. Oh, okay. We can make fancy looking beds. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Chairs, die kit, kitchen cabinets, kitchen counters, kitchen drawers, kitchen sink. Sinks work like cauldrons. Okay. Lighting? Whoa. Concrete. Okay, so I gotta get into concrete. Interesting. Stove. Stove works like a campfire. Okay. That's good. So I need a campfire for the farmer's delight. So that works. Concrete, iron. Okay. Nightstands, lighting. Plate, shower. How do I gotta make a shower. Oh, that's easy. Okay, that's not bad. We can put that above the tub. Hitter. What? What are you saying to me right now? Oh, I need a lot of quartz. Plate. Okay. Microwave. Okay. I'm just trying to make a bathroom, man. But yeah, we'll put the kitchen here and like a seating area here. Sure. I'm gonna join.
Oh my god, she keeps wheezing and stuff. She's so dying. I don't feel good. What doc are you talking to? Wait, I have a healing potion. I'll be back.
Hello?
What the hell?
Hi.
Hi, I've wasted so much time tonight. Robbie keeps, because I'm just trying to build a bathroom using the Paladin furniture mod, and Robbie keeps bringing me quartz, and I keep doing the wrong thing with it. He brought me quartz, and I needed to turn it into blocks of quartz. And I thought to do that I should put it in the furnace. Nope, that makes glass quartz.
Glass cord?
And then he went, okay, I'll just bring you the blocks of quartz. Smooth blocks, right? I went, yep. Nope, just normal blocks. And there's no way to unsmooth. So I've like wasted his night. I've wasted my night.
You're wasting the value materials that I still need 17,000 of.
Sorry.
Wait, you said smoothed or polished?
Smoothed, I think is what I've got.
Can I?
You can have whatever you want. If you want quartz glass, you can have it. If you want smooth quartz blocks, you can have it. I'm just trying to build a bathroom. And I'm gonna make a really nice bathroom, but
Actually, if you want, bring it to me because I need 261, no, sorry, I need 130 more polished slabs. And I can make brick slabs out of the polished.
okay, this is just smoothed though.
Oh, fuck. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I have one of those.
I've got smooth quartz block.
No, never mind.
Yeah, see, that's my problem. It's like, what do I do with this? I don't need this now. I literally had to have wasted like 300 blocks. Oh, more than that. I've got like 600 quartz blocks in here that I've just wasted, and it's all stuff Robbie's brought me.
You should see what I have. I can just keep going up. Guys, I can just keep going up. That would be so badass. Sorry, I have made a monstrosity trying to get the specific wood I need. Because I need the warped wood from the nether. I've been going to get fungus. But I have made a little farm not realizing that like a normal tree, when you cut it down, the leaves fall. Well, technically they have warped wart blocks. And guess what doesn't fall when you cut down the tree and the stem? Those blocks. So they're all just...
Yeah.
They're just, it's just all here, but it looks kind of cool and I want to do something with it. So I'm just going to keep going up and we're going to go from there. And we're just going to turn this into some type of build. I don't know yet, but it's already lit because there's random fucking shroom lights that get spawned in too. So like it works, but yeah. I'm going to do something crazy with it. But I realized that instead of going out, I can just like go to the top of it and then put a block and shroom that. Anyway, how are you outside of that?
Frazzled. The plan was to make this bathroom easy and quick, and then work on the kitchen because I can make like a full real kitchen and use the stoves as for like the Farmer's Delight mod, which is the cooking mod. And I was like all excited, and I've accomplished none of that. I put down bathroom tile and that's it. That's all I've done tonight.
I'm about to go back to the nether and get fucked again.
Well, that's fun.
So I can get more shrooms because I still need 1,205. What are you looking for? If you tell me what you're looking for, I can help you find it.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Short.
Oh, okay.
You said you're just stalking?
What the hell?
Yes, I'm stalking. I was stalking the chest. There's no problem with it.
All right.
Mikey.
Hi.
I was just trying to be like, hey, but that's fine. I'm gonna go see if I can find more mushroom.
I found her again. I found Eugenia.
Okay, listen here, you little bitch. Not
Oh
you,
my
the
God,
skeleton.
whoa.
The
Jesus.
skeleton. The skeleton. Listen, I'm not even. The fucking lava creatures are the dumbest things in the entire world. Can we agree with that? That
No.
explode and then burst out lava?
I haven't seen them. I haven't been to the Nether
Well,
at all.
It's the worst thing, but luckily I have a little amulet that. What the fuck was that? I have an amulet. Oh fuck. No, I don't know what you're selling, but I don't want. There's another one. Like it literally has fire, okay? It has fire that goes everywhere. And then when it explodes, it bursts into fucking lava. But there's so fucking many of them, and they like nonstop everywhere, just fucking everywhere.
Yeah, that sounds terrible.
Hi.
There's literally so much lava over there that like my little shrooms can barely grow. I need some shrooms.
Thank you, Robbie. I won't fuck this up this time. I promise.
I found different colors.
Oh shit, there are.
Are you sure?
Oh. Yeah, wait, what do the other colors do?
I don't know. All right.
Well, thank you. I'm gonna do it right this time. I know what I'm doing this time.
I got a badass pickaxe for this, and also it's the best way to level up. I got the level 39 from getting those.
Oh, nice.
All right. Enjoy. Let me know if you need more.
Thank you.
Mhm.
You have such good friends.
Yes. Smile.
You're like, fuck these bitches.
I use them exclusively for quartz and nothing else. Wait, Robbie, are you still in my home?
Did you hear that? No, you didn't.
Someone just put 13 amethyst shards in my ass. How did that happen?
Does that make you happy or like what's the
Man, okay, so I accidentally smashed my hamster Harvey in the face with my axe. And so he's down to 2 health, and I'm trying to, I was like, okay, how do I heal him? So I Googled, like, Minecraft hamster mod, how to heal. And Google was like, yeah, feed him seeds. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. And I fed him, and immediately my hamster got horny. And I was like, no, that didn't heal him. Whoa.
that is crazy. That poor hamster.
He's like bleeding out and horny. Like, what a way to go.
I don't know. Are you the fucking please let's not.
Hey, I'll be
That's
right
all I
back.
ask.
I'll be right back.
Wait, the crimson okay.
Well, nice bridge. Ow.
Now I can hear again.
What the hell?
Huh?
Here. Spirit?
Oh, Roger.
Yes, sorry. I literally landed and you said that. I was like, all right, fuck it. I'll just go back. Anyways, your bridge looks nice.
Thank you.
So now that I've literally wasted about 500 blocks of quartz. Now,
Wow, what happened?
oh my god. Okay,
What
so
happened to it?
so Robbie brought me quartz, and it was just raw quartz. So I thought you smelt it, and then it turns into quartz blocks or something. No, if you smelled it, it turns into quartz glass, which I can't use.
Can I have some?
You can have all of it if you want. And-
What?
And then I was like, hey, I fucked up. Can you bring me more quartz? And he's like, yeah, what are you trying to make? And I was like, quartz blocks. And he went, oh, okay, smooth quartz blocks? And I went, yep, smooth quartz blocks. No, I just needed normal quartz blocks, and there's no way to unsmooth them. So I've got like 200 of those.
Michael. Michael.
So he just brought me a ton more quartz that he mined for me, and I made it into the quartz blocks, and now I could go make a bathtub. So I'm gonna go make you and I bathtubs. Do you want any other?
Jesus.
At some point, look through the Paladin Furniture book. You got it whenever you spawned in. And let me know what furniture you want, and I'll make it for you. Because I'm building a bathroom. I'm building a kitchen that you can use with the cooking mod. I'm going crazy with it. So crazy. But all right, I'll go make a bathtub and bring you it, and then I'll go make or I'll go get the glass. Do you want a shower head with your bathtub?
Sure.
Yeah. It's just decorative. It turns on, but all right, I'll go do that. This is, dude, you're what the hell?
What?
You've got like, you know how I do my farm?
Yeah.
You've
Sure.
got like optimal farm. I mean, come to my house, you can see it, but you've got the
Like in
optimal
rows?
farm. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's usually how I would do it.
This is crazy though. You're doing the min-maxing one. You're doing the optimal. You're going crazy with it.
We should stop hurting Roger.
That's not Roger getting hurt.
Is that you getting hurt?
Yeah.
Oh, well, never mind.
Yeah, now you don't care. All right, I'll be back. No. I like the way that he just went, what? All right, I think I need more buckets. Let's fucking bring this downstairs. Get your ass downstairs. Okay. So now we want, what do we need? Stone buttons. Get in here. Get in here. Hold on, I gotta get stone.
Get Gonna get
Gotta get
stoned.
Well,
Oh.
I-
Well, that's a good point. I think
do
I'm
I
gonna,
actually-
I'm gonna step outside and hang out with Roger.
I don't
I'm
have
gonna
cobblestone.
go for a walk with my cousin Roger.
With my cousin Roger.
Luckily for you, I have cobblestone.
Thank
on
you.
me.
Whoa, you remodeled.
Yeah, I'm building it out.
Does this cicada thing only work on top of a jukebox, or can you put it anywhere?
No, you can put
I
it
think you
anywhere.
can put it anywhere.
I
just
haven't
put-
experimented with it yet. I was too busy like building a full house.
I just put it there because I thought it looked nice.
Where's Harvey?
Don't worry about Harvey.
Where's Harvey?
Don't worry about.
Where?
He's good. I slapped him in the face with my axe accidentally, and then I tried to give him
What is this,
seeds
Roger?
to heal him, and now Harvey is horny. So just stay out of his
Oh,
way.
where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Okay, all right, you're fucking weird.
I'm just gonna talk to him and calm him down. What do you think?
Yeah,
I mean,
bud. Okay, bud.
But there's not a lot of people out here my size.
Can
I'm
I
just gonna say that.
Can I let your bird hit this bowl, or
No, don't let
should
Roger.
I just blow the smoke? I'll just blow the smoke in his face.
No, he's like a cat. You shouldn't do that. He'll die.
No, he's fine.
I don't know. Please
Hollow
don't.
bones.
No.
It's Phoenix.
Okay. All right. Hold on. There's toilet paper rolls.
What? What do you mean you went in? Why does everybody want some shit from me? Oh, okay, I mean, I thought you meant something bad happened.
Lucas, there's toilet paper rolls.
Okay,
Okay. All right.
I don't. All right, I mean,
I don't think he liked it. Roger, it's okay, Roger.
Okay. All right. Big moment. Wait.
oh, should I give you some privacy?
No. I want you to watch. I need
He's
water.
so close. He's so close.
I need water. The game's telling me to get water.
I have water.
I'm about to blow your mind. We're about to do things no one on Minecraft has ever done before.
Whoa.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is awful.
What did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? Hold on, I gotta figure out the keybind.
Shit.
Yeah. The mod says you can use the toilet, but it says the default is U. But if you hit U, it opens up a skin of sexy Minecraft skins.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Wait a second now.
I don't know what's going on there, but there are naked women in here. and-
Hold on now.
No, hold on now.
Hold on now. Oh, don't show that one on stream. Oh shit.
What the heck? Why are her boobs so big? You should stop.
Shrek? They got Shrek. Oh, wait, that's what you're talking about. Never mind.
You can press the key binding U by default to use it.
You probably got to change it in the actual keybind.
Yeah, hold on. What's the shit button?
Because it has. Which mod is this again?
This is Paladin's furniture.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, use toilet, not bound.
All right, I got it.
That's the only keybind Paladin's furniture requires.
All right, big moment.
Yeah.
Oh, I shitsin!
Just for that, I'm
What?
gonna go let Roger go.
Ew.
I shitsin!
Flush it.
No, hold on. This is so stupid.
You gotta get toilet paper, man. Ew,
Be
you just
free,
walked out
Roger.
without wiping. You gotta get the TP, man. You just,
I'm
you just
working
didn't
on it,
wipe.
man.
You
No,
just
Roger.
didn't wipe. Oh shit. Wait, I have a lead. Oh,
You're just gonna claim Roger.
He's mine now.
I gotta get to work on the rest of the bathroom. Oh, I got your ass now.
well. Yeah, man, you didn't even wipe, man. What the hell, man? You just put your pants back on. You didn't even wipe.
Well, that's because she
What
was
the-
gonna steal Roger, man.
Yeah,
but-
you're in such a
man.
hurry.
You're getting Roger back with a shitty ass, man. What the hell?
Hey, does anyone
You
else
just
want a
walk-
toilet in their house?
No,
build a
God,
Walking
toilet.
around
no.
like that. I think I would fall in it, so please. no.
Wait, Lucas,
please get on
Lucas,
it,
I need to.
please,
You
please.
have to do something for me, and I'm sorry, Lucas. I'm sorry for what I'm about to do to you.
No,
So
no.
funny.
I
There's
can't.
no water.
I can't get on when you. Oh, we got to refill it. To automatically
can
fill,
put-
you must place a water source 1 block under the floor. Oh.
So you'd have to destroy that block and put a water source underneath, then put that block back.
Yeah, but under this is the roof of the first floor. So
Huh.
again, didn't plan for this. I didn't know there was a toilet mod. So
Yeah.
Put the
This
put
house
the
was
toilet,
not.
put the
this house was
bathroom in the
built
basement.
before indoor plumbing existed.
Well, maybe I'll put the bathroom on the first floor. But I want it off of the bed. I
I
want
thought you
it off
said
of the
Harvey
bed.
was
Yeah, no,
horny.
you need-
Yeah, he's horny right now.
I think
Oh,
he's
yeah,
Jay
he is.
chillin'.
No, he's horned the fuck up. You don't know the look in his eyes like I know.
Yeah, look, he's frantically searching for a mate.
No, he's looking for his candle, right?
His candle?
Isn't that what's on here? Or no, it's just
His buzzsaw
tool.
that shreds him?
no.
Oh,
He
his
said he
torch.
likes to stare-
Yeah, his
Yeah,
favorite
he
Oh, the
torch.
torch. Yeah, that he does like that.
He's
torch.
looking for his favorite torch.
Hey,
No, that's definitely not what he's doing.
Who's that guy in this picture? He's got a picture of a guy.
Yeah. What, I can't have pictures of guys?
I'm just saying, who is it? Is it like your uncle or something?
Yeah, this is my uncle, Claudio. He was the inventor. He invented the toilet. He was the first man to ever do it.
Oh,
And I'm
whoa.
carrying on his legacy.
Cool. What about that one?
That's just some finger puppets
Oh,
shaped like Jesus.
it's kind of disappointing.
All right, anyone want a bath?
I would probably fall in. I don't have a home, man. I just got a mountain.
Yeah, you gotta get a house, man.
I know, but I'm trying to think, like, I don't want to. I like to build, but I don't want to do just like a typical house that I always do because I'm so tiny. I'm trying to think of like what would
'Cause
an
you're so
actual
little?
inchling.
You're just
Yes,
a little
'cause I'm so
guy.
little. I'm trying to think of like what an actual inchling home would look like, like, and to build that.
I think you should just build like a mouse hole house on someone else's house and not tell them.
Great idea.
Not mine though. Not mine.
Oh, fuck.
Why can't
I
Should
can't do
what?
it on Rain's house because Rain's house is taken by Killa's mouse hole house. It was so much easier when I was the only inchling in the neighborhood.
Ooh, I got the sink. Okay, now I just
And
need the
Kirby
shower.
doesn't have a house. I'm gonna find Pelly and I'm
Why
gonna.
are you guys
make a
living
secret
without
house on the side.
houses?
I'm on a mountain. I've been focused
Okay.
on my space program, okay? More important than my house.
Shower heads are way
do you
more
not? Do you have like
advanced.
a hole in the ground? Like, do you have anything?
I have a door that takes me to another dimension.
Fair.
See, that's
Kind of more impressive than a house.
the difference between us and them. Is like you and I are like building little houses and working on furniture and farm. They're like,
Yeah,
I
we're
have a
doing cozy
dimensional
stuff.
door. I
Yeah.
have the strongest
I-
armor in the game. It's like, where do you
needed
live?
space.
I needed space so bad that I decided to go there.
Number one priority was getting to the moon. The Russians are building a rocket. We gotta beat them
Oh my goodness.
in the space race.
Wait, that's cute. I wish the toilet wasn't so weird.
What do you mean weird?
Why you get so serious?
Dude, I
What do you
like
mean,
the toilet. I like the toilet. My uncle made
What
that.
do you mean it's weird? I don't know, the graphic fart noises was a bit much for me, I guess. I don't know.
There's so many like extra little like there's a shower head, but it's like
I
there's
can't.
I could do a shower
Sitting in the
head,
toilet. It's like a little hot tub.
and I could do like shower handles and toilet paper and towel holders.
You're gonna need more space in here.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Although
I
I,
think-
gotta
I
say, with
think I
this
wanna do,
setup
like, a
right now,
sauna.
you could realistically like you'd be taking a bath, and if you gotta piss, you could like projectile piss in an arc into the toilet from still in the bath.
What the fuck's wrong
Don't
with this
look
guy?
at me. Look at me.
You may call me crazy, but you will never call me wrong.
I've never project. First of all, if you're pissing, you're projectile pissing. Let's start there. But I've
Well,
never.
yeah, I'm saying with this setup.
You
I-
piss out of the bathtub often?
Yeah, I've never done that.
No.
It
before.
kind of sounds like
No,
you
because
do.
this setup don't exist. Nobody's got a setup like this where the bath is right next to the toilet.
I've
this is
definitely
literally-
seen multiple bathrooms like
This is
in
how
my
my
life.
old apartment's bathroom was. That's why I was like, oh, I'll do
Oh.
it this way.
So then
Is
you know what I'm talking about. You
No,
tried
because
it.
I never went, gotta piss. Let me pop open the shower cabinet or curtain. Let me stick my dick out of the shower curtain and piss. I've never done that.
I wasn't even picturing that. I was picturing like while taking a bath.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
Like you're laying
Right.
back and
So
you're
you
like
tried
arching
then.
it.
You know what I'm talking
you're
about.
arching, you're pushing your back up.
That's
So
what
you
no,
tried
that's
it.
literally the word he said is like that you're arching
Yes.
like the stream.
Are you taking a
So
bath or
that
a
made
shower?
me like infer that it was
Yeah,
like
you're taking a bath. You're
Okay,
taking
so
a bath.
you're laying in the tub.
Yeah.
and you
then
gotta
you're like,
piss.
Man, I gotta piss.
That's
And then
even
you, like-
crazier to me.
You kind of Angry Birds like arc. You gotta
See,
aim.
now
You,
you've
know, you,
lost
you gotta
me.
aim
I don't
the
know what that
slingshot.
means.
You gotta arc it so it's going
What the fuck
boom,
are you
off the
talking
backboard.
Like
Off
if
the
you're laying
backboard right
down
in
and
here.
you want your off the backboard is crazy. Either get it in or just
Yeah, don't.
just don't.
Around the
Well,
rim.
Well, why do you think they make a backboard for it? That's what it's there
It's
for.
That's a
dumb.
s- that's a
Oh
seat.
god,
Okay.
that's wrong.
Lucas,
That's
I
what-
can't imagine ever laying down and going, "Oh man, gotta piss." Let me fucking push my hips up and piss, arcing it into
Well,
the
what is-
toilet.
what is pushing your hips up gonna really do?
I guess extend the arc. I don't know,
Gives you a
but
little- yeah.
I'm
well,
just saying.
see-
I've never.
so you
if
know
I'm
how it
taking a
works.
bath and I go, "Damn, gotta piss," I get
That
up.
works is crazy.
I get up and I use the toilet like a human being. I'm not an animal. Same thing. Hey man, I'm taking a shower and I gotta piss. I get out of the shower and piss. I don't piss in the shower.
Well, hey, me neither, because my toilet's not close enough. But if it was this
All right,
close,
that's not.
if it was this close, listen, I can't hit a 3-pointer, all right? But I could dunk it in. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Dunking it in, I feel like, is just standing up. And a 3-pointer is when you're laying down in the tub.
Well, a 3-pointer would be more like if it was over here. You know, I can't reach that.
If you're okay,
I
you're
can't
in the tub, you're doing like a 3-pointer. Are you doing like arcing your hips? Are you aiming with your hips, or are you like hands
I
on
think
the
you aim
fire
with
hose?
the dick.
Are you?
You
Right,
think
well, it's-
you
are
think you think it's a hands-free situation?
That's what I want to
mean,
know here.
It's a combination of both. You can't accomplish it just with one thing.
I don't think hands-free is crazy.
Yeah, I would not trust hands free.
No, but you try it the other way, so you admit it's a good idea.
No, I'm not trying it at
Well,
all.
I thought that's where you were going with that. I mean, you're asking
It
me how to
does
do
kinda
it,
seem
so
like
it
it's
sounds
where
like you
he's
want to
going
do
with
it.
that.
I'm not.
If you're asking me,
I listen. My bathtub is on the other side of my bathroom from my toilet.
Like
So
I
we're
feel like
not
he's
talking-
asking for
We're not
advice.
talking Duncan. We're not talking from the shot line. We're not talking a 3-pointer. If I were to piss from my bathtub into the toilet in my apartment, we're talking a fucking field goal here, right?
yeah,
I
well,
can't
okay.
accomplish that.
I can't either, but looking at this setup, it makes me slightly envious because then it would be possible.
Why are you envious of my Minecraft bathroom?
He wants to
Have
lay
I
in the
not
bathtub
explained
and
it
Yeah,
enough?
because he wants to piss while he's laying in the bathtub. This is some like, I don't know, man. This is some like late stage humanity shit of like, God, what a nice bathroom. I could lay there and piss at the same time. Like,
I would argue
have we
that-
really gotten to the point where standing up, getting up to go piss is too much work?
We are so removed from our natural humanity already, okay? We are sitting here at computers,
All right.
playing
Well,
video games,
mm,
transmitting our voices across miles.
But it-
Nature is out of the question. If peeing from one position of the room into another in an arc is too outlandish for you, then man, you gotta step outside and look at the whole wide world because there's weirder shit going on.
Yeah, I feel like this is something that could be accomplished in my bathroom.
well,
Thank you.
okay. Report back.
No.
I just said, why offer up that information? Like, I could do it. Why tell us that? No, come back.
Listen, all the geniuses of the world were called crazy ones.
Yeah,
all I'm gonna say.
you think you're fucking Einstein of pissing?
That's all I'm gonna say.
You're
The
the-
idea's in your head now.
Yeah,
You really like talking about piss.
you're the Einstein of pissing.
More like the Oppenheimer.
The Oppenheimer of pissing.
I'm gonna destroy so many bathrooms.
Where's
You're
the
gonna go to a
bath?
hotel. You're gonna
Alright.
work at a hotel.
Okay, hold on. Settle this for us.
Oh my god.
Someone's
All
gonna.
right, so
You're gonna
you
be-
get
Lucas
in the
back in the
bathtub.
toilet.
You get in the bathtub. You're laying in the tub, and you gotta piss.
Uh-huh.
What do?
Okay, am I taking a bath?
Yes, you're taking a bath.
taking
You're
a
laying
bath.
in the bathtub. What do you?
In
and you gotta
this
piss. Go ahead.
bathroom specifically, this layout, what you see
Ooh, in
before
this
you
layout, honestly,
is the layout.
I'm gonna take a sniper shot and I'm gonna
Oh,
That's
come
what
on!
I'm saying. Why would you get out? Why would you even bother getting out?
This actually looks a lot like my real life bathroom, except my sink's on this wall.
So you gotta try it then. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, this is fucked up. This is fucked up.
Wait, watch this. Watch this. Where can I place the
Listen,
game?
I'm gonna also say
Oh.
this.
I'm in the
You
bath.
cannot be mad that Kirby left and refused to participate because you know he would have just picked whatever option would.
Kirby
piss
would have
you
just
off the
pissed in the
most.
bath.
I'll give you your privacy.
Kirby would have been like, "Why even aim for the toilet? I'll just open my mouth. Yum yum."
Okay, you got a good point there.
Yum,
That
yum.
would have pissed me off.
All right. Well, what did we? I gotta make you a bathtub. Do you still want a bathtub, Blue?
Sure.
Of course he does.
Okay.
I don't know.
No toilet, just the bathtub.
God no.
Well, that's just lame.
Well, do you want a bathtub, Lucas? When you get a house, I'll make you a bathtub and a toilet, and you can trick
Okay.
shot as much as you
Well,
want.
And a
bud.
sink and a
And a
shower
sink.
head.
Yep.
There's no tiny one. I'm gonna drown.
Just
What do you?
swim.
What do you want me to do about it? You
Just
want me to
breathe.
get some thimbles and fill 'em with water? Like,
That would be
Aw,
great.
that's so cute.
I'm gonna drown in that bathtub.
That's
Don't-
so
don't-
adorable. That idea.
don't
What?
patronize him like that.
Just like
Well,
the
I'm
idea of
tiny.
it is so adorable. Full thimble full water.
Oh man, so the tub probably refills if you put a block of water under it. So now I got to figure out a
Yeah.
plumbing system.
you
You
gotta-
need
yeah,
to
you-
you need
you gotta
to
put
open
the
up
plumbing.
like a whole section of this floor and just put water in it.
But I don't want the toilet in the basement. I want it,
It
off
has
of
to
the
be like
bed.
under
Do
the
it, then-
actual fixture.
I mean, it has to be on the first floor then, and just
Yeah.
You might just have to like,
don't do it over
This
the
is-
basement.
you might have to either like raise the second floor up one block,
That's what I'm thinking.
but you know what I mean? Just like make the floor thicker by 2 blocks and
Yeah.
kind of hide it.
And then, but the thing is if I put like a whole layer of water, then I'm gonna have water dripping down to the first floor. I gotta find an
Yeah.
undrippable block to make the ceiling out of.
It drips through the stone.
I mean,
It might. I don't know.
This room looks like it'd be a perfectly good bathroom.
Well, this is supposed to be the like
Yeah, but
pantry because I'm gonna put the kitchen.
I know what he's saying though,
here.
because like
Oh.
if you're in bed and you gotta wake up and piss, you don't want to go down.
What? Okay. See,
Where's
now
all
you're
your
talking about
andesite?
piss too much. What's that?
Oh, I'm wrong.
Did you
There's
say
all the
now?
andesite in the
Now it's
cave.
too much?
I don't know where the
Now?
andesite is.
Not like 10 minutes ago.
Well,
Is this a wine cellar?
yeah, that's my pantry.
Why's your dog in the pantry? Is he eating it all?
He's guarding it.
That's my dog.
That's my dog. Where's Harvey?
This is like you gotta add plumbing to
Oh,
like
no,
this
he got too
1800s
horny.
farmhouse. Like this is tough.
Yeah, I know. I gotta
Is
figure
this
out.
your kitchen down here?
No, that's my workshop.
Where's your kitchen?
I'm working on it. I haven't gotten
You
to
gotta
it
get
yet.
the-
Is
I
that
spent
what all the quartz is for?
I spent 3 hours. No, the quartz was for the bathroom.
Wait,
Hey.
Quartz is a
you
different story.
Mikey,
you have that glass quartz or whatever?
Yeah, I got it.
You need proper ventilation in this place.
I'm working on it. I just learned that I can shit. I'm working on it.
That was
I know-
awful.
I know a pretty good
I do really like
code-
this like
code
this floor
viol-
though. It feels
health
very
code
homey.
inspector, and she might be on her
Yeah,
way,
it's
but
very
this is out of
cozy. It's a
code.
little
don't-
small.
yeah. Yeah,
I
but
don't
that
know. I
adds to
like
it,
open floor plans, unfortunately.
Something
even
about
though
when
this
you
looks
finish
cute.
this part. When you
Yeah.
finish this part, I was like, man, that looks like a home now.
Yeah, I know. Once I put this wall in here to divide
So
it up for the
cozy.
bathroom, I really like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
First floor is
Oh,
gonna
man,
stay
I get
open.
what you mean about the chickens.
Yeah, I know, right?
I don't think I've literally ever been bothered by it until this moment.
The first floor is gonna stay open. It's gonna be like a kitchen and like a dining area,
Yeah.
and then this is gonna be like this, and then the third
Like,
floor
yeah,
is gonna be
that's
like my
great.
library where I can do enchanting,
Oh.
and I think fourth floor is gonna be observation tower.
floors?
Yeah,
That's too much.
and then I might do a second basement, but that's
Man, doesn't gentrification suck?
second
So,
basement.
Since you're doing all
is-
these floors, make sure you have the right supports because the health violated people are gonna come here and inspect soon.
That's fine. They can inspect. I'll kill them.
You're gonna
What?
kill. You're gonna
That's a
kill
bit
the
much.
inspector?
That's
don't
that
think you'll kill this
that's a bit
inspector.
much. Oh my! I can't believe you would say you killed these people in
I'm
Minecraft.
not gonna say that, Rain. You're gonna kill.
I'm just
Rain?
saying that seems a bit unnecessary. I don't think you have to take it that far. I think you have other options.
Yeah, name one other option.
Maybe just supports. You have Roger's way up there. You don't want anything bad happening to him.
I left their
Okay, I guess I care about Roger more than you for some reason.
I think you missed all the times that I've called Roger a bitch and a cunt. Do you want your
Yeah, you
Well, I
got.
guess
quartz
I'll just
glass?
let him go.
No, because I need him. I gave you that
I'm
glass
gonna go
quartz.
back to my house and to my son, and then I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay. I'm gonna get her
Night.
this glass quartz and I'm probably going to bed. Good night, Lucas.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna do so
Night.
many cool things. I hope maybe.
What, with me not around?
No, with that glass.
Oh. Well, chat room, we did it. We made a bathtub.
Kind of pisses me off that you took this beautiful wood and then just wasted it on a chest.
I didn't make this chest.
Oh, okay. Never
Yeah,
mind.
yeah, Robbie made that chest.
What
okay.
the fuck, Robbie? It kind of pisses me off that he took this beautiful.
Right. Yes, this is all the quartz that I fucked up. Robbie personally mined for me, and I wasted all of it. It's behind you. I'm gonna push you into it.
Whoa, cool. Thanks. Wow, there's so much of it
Yeah.
that
Like I said, I wasted about 600 quartz.
I apparently have a ton of eggs on me.
Yeah, because you
that are
ran into my
probably
chickens.
from- Yeah.
Yeah, if I go into the chicken
How
pen,
many chickens are out here? Jesus,
many.
It doesn't seem like this many.
I'm gonna
you just don't
fix
pick
this.
up the eggs. Oh my god, that was so violent.
yeah, I bet you'll be quiet now, you fucking chickens. That was so violent. Is Rain still around? Yes, she is.
I'm so close to having enough
Enough what?
of this fucking fungus.
Hey,
So-
by the way, this is the health inspector, by the way. That
Oh, be careful. Oh my god, are you okay? Okay, sorry. I haven't I'm so sorry. You have to be careful. It randomly just does things.
So I made my bathroom for the most part.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Bathrooms are good.
There's
can
even more
finally
stuff I can
shit.
add to it
That's
that's
good.
really in depth. But I figured out that I need a plumbing system.
Oh, you
Yeah.
need a-
I got to build aqueducts in my house basically. So I'm going to figure that out.
That is, you go in and you're just like, I just want a bathtub. Realize that you have to develop a whole plumbing.
Yeah, I got to
system.
fucking build aqueducts. So
I'm here for that for you.
thanks.
I'm actually gonna scream. Where is all the andesite? There was so much like an hour ago.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Good night. Who's sleeping?
All right, I'm also going to bed. So good night.
Good night.
Hey, why'd you throw my eggs? Egg thief. Egg thief, why'd you throw my eggs? Come here, egg thief.
I didn't throw your eggs. I hatched your chickens for you.
Yeah,
Murderer.
Murderer. You were the one saying the chicken noises were annoying you.
Murderer.
Murderer. All right, I'm gonna wrap up stream and I'll come say goodnight.
Okay.
All right, chat. That's the stream. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll make more progress. I think maybe tomorrow we do Spectrum. Hamster. 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 What did I just picked them up and threw them down. Where'd he go? Where'd that second one go? Hamster. Hamster. Fuck is he? Hamster. 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 Hold on. Play the clip.
Hamster.
All right, I'll be back tomorrow. More Marchcraft tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we get into the Spectrum mod and we start messing around with that. We'll see, you know. We're supposed to make way more furniture. Maybe tomorrow we replan the house so we can include indoor plumbing. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow we'll build the goddamn barn. You ever think of that? Could be real. Is that Harvey? How did he get out? How did he get out? Who let him out? Get in there. All right, chat. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. We're going to raid Rain because she's still live. So I'm going to leave you in her care. Because I got to go get dinner too, man. All right. I'll see you tomorrow, chat. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Good night.